Page 10, melody. 4 times, got 1 sharp, so it's in the key of G major. We don't have any F's in this piece, so it doesn't really matter because all the F's would be sharp, but okay, we're still using all white keys here. Let's talk about the hands separately, starting with the right hand. At the beginning, you have third finger on that B. Here, puts you in this position. So this is where the hand is. Half notes and quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So to play through it in the right hand and make sure you understand all these notes and everything going on. There's nothing tricky about it. And just play it all legato. Connect everything right now. In the left hand we have quarter notes all over the place except for the very end, a half note. And again, play it, it says legato, play it, but when you first start playing a piece and trying to learn it, I suggest you just play it legato. You can add in any of the other articulation stuff later, but at first just try and connect everything if you can. So we're fifth finger on G here, and that puts us in this position. So it's just all connected. Now hopefully you know the names of all these notes. That's a D there, that second note. It's right above middle C. So play the left hand through all the way through. Make sure you understand everything it's doing because the notes are kind of jumbled up. Then try to put the hands together and again play everything connected here. Play it all the way through. If you're hesitating anywhere, work on those spots and get rid of the hesitations. It doesn't matter how fast you go. Right now you can go real slow. All we're interested is getting the notes and the rhythm correct. Then we can go back and we add the slurs. The slurs are in the right hand. The left hand is connected all the way through. So the first line, you have a big slur over it. The right hand, so you're going to connect all those notes in the first line. Then when you get to the end of the first line, that last note, that A, you're going to lift up a little bit early, just a hair. So you lift up before you play the note in the next line. So there's a little silence there. So it's like taking a breath, sort of. So to play the last measure of the first line, it's that way. Like that. Do that between every slur here in the right hand. Just lift up a little bit. Keep the left hand down. Can you do 2 different things in the hands at the same time? It's like, ugh. So again, the last measure of the first line. Here, both hands is here. But the right hand lifts. See, the right hand lifts up, but the left hand didn't. And we'll do that between every slur. Then once you can do that, okay. And remember, it's still slow. We're not speeding it up yet. You can think about the dynamics. Well, they don't really give you any dynamics. It says MP at the beginning. Moderately soft, mezzo piano. That's the right hand. You'll have to decide what sort of soft is. It's not loud, it's not in the middle. It's a little softer than in the middle. Keep the left hand really soft if you can. We want to hear the right hand. And that's hard to do because it's a natural thing for us when we get busy. We got a lot of stuff going on in a hand. We tend to play it out more because we're focused on it. So the tendency for most people, I think, will be to play that left hand loud. Because it's just busy, 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 busy. So you have to make it a point to keep it down really soft. And let's hear the right hand instead. And once you can do all that, then we can think about speeding it up. It's allegretto, which is a little faster. It's between moderato and allegro. It's somewhere in there. Yeah, sort of fast. There's a lot of swords in this. It's up to you. It's different for different people. So it's not quite fast, but it's almost fast. So like the second line, I keep playing the first line. I'll do the second line here. That's my impression of allegretto for this. Some people will play it faster than that, others will play it slower than that. Accuracy and control is more important, so it's up to you on how fast you're going to do this. Don't take it real fast, but it's not like just a regular run-of-the-mill speed. It's a little faster than that. I'd like to play it with you very slowly. This is after you've learned it. Go ahead and learn it first, and then play it with me. We'll make sure we have the right notes and the right rhythms. And we're going to go really slow here, so I'm going to give us 4 counts. Well, let's try it out. Now I'm going to play both hands about the same. I want you to hear the notes, so I'm not doing any dynamics or any of that. 1, 2, ready, go.